Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start right at the fence line, don't hesitate. Measure the run and mark 1 m intervals to keep a straight edge. Once done, clear grass and debris 3-4 inches back so you can see the soil line. This prevents snagging. Pick your tool based on space. A half moon for precision, an oscillating trimmer for speed, or a spade when access is tight. As you cut, angle the tool slightly toward the fence so debris falls away rather than under the posts. You now move sequentially along the fence in manageable 30 to 60 centimeter sections. This keeps your line straight and your posture safe. Brace posts with temporary boards if soil is loose, otherwise you risk loosening the fence. Cut at a consistent depth of about 3 to 5 centimeters. Consistent depth makes later edging and mulching easier. Once you reach corners and posts, switch to short, controlled strokes so you don't undercut the post foundation, and make sure soil stays firm behind the cut. You finish by backfilling any gaps and compacting lightly, then sow seed or add 1 to 2 centimeters of mulch to prevent erosion. Once done, trim roots that protrude with a handsaw and seal any exposed fence wood with preservative to extend life. If your edge looks uneven, use a straight guide board and recut the shallow spots. Make sure to check post stability before final cleanup. If a post shifts, stop, brace it, and reinstall soil to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.